Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create PVC pipes using Blender. Let's start. Delete the original cube. Go to Add menu. Select Mesh. Go down and select Pipe Joints. Change the divisions to 256. You can change the angle to be 90 degrees. You can change the length start and the end length. You can repeat the previous steps to create the other types of pipe joints. To add thickness to the pipes, select the pipe. Go to Modifier Properties. Click on Add Modifier. Select Solidify. Change the thickness to 0.2 or any thickness you want. Do the same steps to the other pipes. To change the color of any pipe, go to Material Properties, click New, and from Base Color change the color to reach the required color. Do the same for the other pipes. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.